Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to format your system and install Windows 10, which is the latest OS from Microsoft. Recently Windows 7 has entered its end of life, that is on Tuesday January 14th 2020. So end of life means after that date Microsoft will never offer any kind of patches and security updates for Windows 7 systems, Windows 7 OS. That means any bugs or problems found in it will never get fixed. So we must have to upgrade our existing Windows 7 systems to Windows 10. Most of us has the same requirement, but we have to depend on engineers to do this for us. It's very easy. We can do it by ourselves. So let us see how can we do it by ourselves, just following few steps. So just purchase your Windows 10 operating system, insert it into your system CD drive, DVD drive, and boot your system. You will first see this screen. The first option is language to install. So then time and currency format, make it as per your requirement. Like for me, I have to search English India. Keyboard or input method English India. Click on next. Install now. I have this multi-edition DVD. That's the reason this step came, where I can choose my required edition to install in my system. So this time I am going to install Windows 10 Pro, that means professional. So I clicked on next. I accept the license terms. Click on next. Go for custom installation. If you have already a partition in your hard disk, you can select your partition to go ahead and install OS in that particular partition. But here I do not have any partitions yet created, so I will first have to create partition, then I will format the hard disk drive before going for installation. So let me create a C drive with a partition size of 80 GB. Yes, it is created now. So I have created a C drive with a partition size of 80 GB. Rest partition size, I will just make another partition, say it is D drive. I am not going to format it now. I'll just have to format the C drive, which is the partition 2, which will become a primary partition. I'm going to format it. So this is how we format our drive, our partition. So selecting this target partition, I'm clicking on next. So my OS is going to be installed in the selected partition, that is Windows 10 is going to be installed in the selected partition, which is 80 GB, and by default it will take drive letter as C drive. Here, this part is complete now. It will take now a very less time to complete this step, installing Windows. Either you can press on restart now, or it will take just 5 seconds to automatically restart. The next step. So after few automatic restarts, you will get this screen where we have to press on next. Now select your country, click yes. Now select the right keyboard layout. I am going to select English India. Click on yes. I am going to skip this. Okay, so click on setup for personal use. Click on next. Click on skip. Type a suitable name and click on next. This will be the username through which you have to log in each time when you are going to start your system. Give your password. It's up to your choice whether you'll go with yes or no option. So in my case, I don't require any activity history, so I am clicking on no. I decline it. Click on accept. It will now load your profile to get your desktop on. So here is our desktop is ready to use. Click on yes. That's it. So you can now browse your My Computer. So here is our two partitions. This is C drive, this is D drive. Before going to use this, we have to format it. So right click, click on format. Click on start. Okay. Done. Close this. So our D drive is also ready. We can use it now. Thank you for watching.